How to use your intuition for wise decision-making. Have you ever found yourself at a crossroads, unsure which path to take? Often, the answer lies within you. Today, we'll explore how to harness your intuition to make wise decisions. Welcome to our channel. If you're struggling with decision-making, you're not alone. In a world full of information and choices, it can be challenging to know which direction to take. But that's where intuition, your inner guide, comes in. Intuition can be described as that instinctive feeling or gut reaction that helps guide us. It's shaped by our experiences and feelings, often surfacing as a quiet whisper amid the noise of analysis. Let's break down some practical steps to help you tap into your intuition and use it effectively in your decision-making process. Tip 1. Create space for reflection. When facing a decision, take a moment to pause. Make sure you're in a calm environment where you can think clearly. This space allows you to connect with your feelings without outside distractions. Tip 2. Practice mindfulness. Engaging in mindfulness activities like meditation, yoga, or even a short walk can help clear your mind. When you're more present, it's easier to recognize and trust your intuitive feelings. Tip 3. Listen to your body. Notice how your body feels during decision-making. Do you feel tense or at ease? Often, physical sensations can indicate which choice might be right for you. Tip 4. Talk it out. Sometimes, discussing your thoughts with someone you trust can clarify your feelings. They might help you uncover insights you hadn't considered or reinforce your intuitive thoughts. Tip 5. Trust your instincts. If something feels off or not quite right, pay attention to that feeling. Your intuition is often informed by experiences you may not even consciously recognize. Remember, intuition isn't about abandoning logic, it's about finding a balance. By integrating your intuition with rational thought, you create a powerful decision-making process. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you feel inspired to tap into your intuition the next time you face a decision. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your intuition is a valuable asset. Trust it, and let it guide you to wise choices. Until next time, embrace your intuition and make the decisions that resonate with you.